Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically set status on your Zoom workplace. So to do that, you're going to select your profile page here, go to the status here. For instance, you're away or out of office, you can select that. Then you can also select the work location, office, remote. I'm just going to select remote for mine. That's how you can basically set your status. You can also set your status message like I'll be out today, or I'm at lunch, and then clear after an hour maybe. Press save, and that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.